Hey guys, in case you haven't met, my name is Adrienne and I'm going to take you mountain biking today to show you just what my ankle replacement of 5.5 years, what all it can handle. So let's go ride. Holy moly! We have been on our bikes for what, 4+ hours?
It's like 7:30 now.
We've seen a waterfall. We're really exhausted right now. But I think because I'm making this about my ankle, I think it's important to note I don't even know what our mile marker is right now, and
It's important to know that she's dragging me up this mountain. It's everything I got to get this far. I'm exhausted.
And my ankle doesn't hurt at all.
I think we're at 5 hours on the bikes right now, and paths have been closed and
the sun's setting. I will say this, I've been thinking about this along the way, and people ask me a lot if I could hike with an ankle replacement. I prefer to be on my bike instead of hike, number one. But number two, I think I might actually find it kind of difficult with the inclines and the declines with just like the range of motion with my ankle. So I actually prefer a bike, and you get to see more. So let's get real. I love mountain biking, and I would argue to say I'm pretty good at it. But here is one of the issues I have with my replacement. So I'm gonna have my wonderful husband stand down to my feet. A lot of people ask me about my range of motion, and you can see here, there's kind of the difference. The replacement's in my right foot. So you can see that I don't quite have it this way, but I definitely have it this way. So I like to clip into some cages. It allows me to use different angles as I climb the mountain. And believe it or not having the range of motion that you want with your feet has actually benefited me learning how to mountain bike, because when a lot of people get off and walk up the hill, I keep my butt on the bike and I ride. So that's just kind of keeping it real about ankle replacements and what works and what doesn't. And I hope you learned something from this. If you want to reach out to me, shoot me an email and I will respond to you. Bye.